evening. I'm Santosh Varan here. Today news Malaysia to be a part of COVAX vaccine plan. Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia will join the COVID-19 vaccine global access COVAX plan to pursue supplies for the inoculation against the novel coronavirus when it becomes available. A statement from the Science, Technology and Innovation Ministry mostly say the government was in the midst of negotiating terms with the Global Alliance for Vaccine and Immunization Gavi, the alliance that manages the COVAX program. COVAX is coordinated by Gavi, the Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness CEPI and the World Health Organization WHO. Mostly say it also the midst of negotiating terms to be a part of CEPI as well as in the midst of discussing with the China to establish a government-to-government agreement for access vaccines developed by pharmaceutical companies in the North Asian country. The statement added that ministry had entered to non-disclosure agreements with a few international pharmaceutical companies which are in their third phase of vaccine trials. This is allowed to government to enter negotiations for supplies of vaccines which could be approved for COVID-19 treatment, it added. The approach taken by Malaysia by being a part of COVAX establishment strategies ties with other countries and directly negotiating with pharmaceutical companies will ensure that we are able to get sufficient supplies of the approved vaccine immediately and at a responsible price, said Mosti in the statement. Mosti is also representing the government in negotiating the necessary agreements. COVAX is platform developed to support the research, development and manufacturing of a wide range of COVID-19 vaccines. The collective procurement system aims to provide participating countries fair and equitable access to vaccines by combining the purchasing of power of economies. It also targets to deliver 2 billion doses of safe and effective vaccines by the of 2021, which will be sufficient to protect vulnerable communities and frontliners. On Friday, the Malaysian Medical Association (MMA) questioned the government on why Malaysia was not a part of COVAX, which 117 countries had signed up for. This follows Health Minister Dato Sri Adam Baba's statement that Malaysia was still communicating with the WHO over the COVID-19 vaccine access plan. Please follow SOP as what was instructed by Prime Minister. Thank you.